Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of creating your very first GitHub account, unlocking the ultimate hub for software development and version control. To launch your journey, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Look for the prominent Sign Up button in the upper right corner and give it a click. The interface is highly interactive, starting with a prompt to enter your primary email address. Type it in and press Continue. Next, choose a unique, highly secure password to protect your repositories. After confirming that, you'll need to select a creative username. If your preferred name is already taken, try adding numbers or hyphens until the indicator turns green. Choose whether you want to receive product updates, and then complete the quick puzzle verification to prove you aren't an automated bot. Check your email inbox for a 6-digit verification code. Paste it back into the GitHub setup window, and your account will initialize. You'll be asked a few brief optional questions about your team size and interests, but you can scroll to the bottom and skip personalization to jump straight into your dashboard. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.